Hello, this is number 3, my Rogue number 3. I ordered it off of the resale market off of eBay. It was pre-owned, and this is supposed to be the Oxblood with Prairie Rivet detailing. Nicely packaged. Oh, it's awesome. Looks like it's the 1941 dust bag. Came in the Coach bag itself, which is very nice. The Coach 1941 dust bag. Oh, wow. This is beautiful. Wow. Oh, wow. So the handles don't go all the way down like the way the 2021, the more recent Rogue generations go down. But I didn't care. This bag was such a beauty that, and the seller was honest, there was a mark way down below here in the suede. You can probably see it way down there. I didn't mind because you can't see it anyways, and all of the suede looks like it's in real good shape. Oh, here's a clochette. Oh, that's awesome. You know, the new ones don't come with that. Oh, that's so pretty. This is stunning. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's just beautiful. I like a very supple, soft leather, so I don't mind if it's soft. I actually prefer leather that's worn rather than brand new. That might seem a little odd, but I do like some worn leather. This is beautiful. So pretty with the red. Really gorgeous. I love it. Oh, well, that's interesting. So, okay, so the straps are here. Oh, this is so nice. So it has the zipper right there. The inside is beautiful. It looks really nice. For being pre-owned, looks really clean. Oh, that's nice. Great, great seller. Oh, I'm so happy. This was a great deal. It's a beautiful bag. I'm so happy with it. This one, so let me go ahead and try it on. I didn't see what the rave was about the rogues, and then when I started to see them and research more of the YouTubers who are well experienced with it, I was really happy, to learn more about it. I'm so excited that I'm clipping things onto the wrong things. Gosh, this is beautiful. So apparently you can put them inside like that, tuck them inside. Obviously doesn't have anything in it. So I'm 5'4", size 2. Oh, this is beautiful. This was so worth it. Wow. It's really a stunning bag. Obviously this generation did not come with a crossbody, but that's okay. I wouldn't wear something this size in a crossbody. So this would be the regular Rogue, size 30/31, what the regular Rogue is. So bigger than the 25, obviously.